Good morning, dear students. The part 2 of today's course. Look at the question number 3 and read it in your textbook. In an AP, first given that A is equal to 5, D is equal to 3 and AN is equal to 50, then find value of N and SN. ये क्वेश्चन अभी जो जस्ट आपने फर्स्ट किया था बिल्कुल वैसा ही है. Look at the solution, dear students. Given that A is equal to 5, D is 3 and AN is 50, then find N and SN. First we know that put the formula of AN is A plus N minus 1D. In that AN is 50, A is 5 plus N is we don't know and D is 3. Now look, solve this equation. 50 minus 5 is equal to 3N, 3 bracket N minus 1. 45 is equal to 3 bracket N minus 1. And 45 divided by 3 is equal to N minus 1. So N is equal to 15. Minus 1 goes to that side, plus 1 and N is equal to 16. So A16 is equal to 50, यानी 50 जो है वो A16 टर्म है. अब हमको इस AP का 16th टर्म तक का सम बताना है. तो SN इज इक्वल टू N बाई 2 ब्रैकेट A प्लस AN. मैंने उस क्वेश्चन को अलग मेथड से बताया, आपको फॉर्मूला यहाँ पे ये भी बताया और आप इससे भी कर सकते हो. AN के पास वैल्यू है तो वी पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ डायरेक्टली AN. S16 is equal to 16 by 2 bracket 5 plus A16 and 16 by 2 is 8 and 5 plus A16 is 50 and 8 into 50 plus 5 is 55. Then the product of 8 and 55 is 440. Now look at the 10th part of this same question. In your textbook, read it. In this question, given that AN is equal to 28 and SN is equal to 144. इसमें आपको A, D और N तीनों नहीं दिए हैं, बस सिर्फ हमको AN दिया है यानी nth टर्म और वहीं तक nth टर्म तक का सम हमको दिया हुआ है 144. सो नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स इज 9 और हमको इसमें ये बताया है N नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स N 9 है और हमको A की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है. वी नो दैट SN इज इक्वल टू N बाई 2 इज ब्रैकेट A प्लस AM. And value of SN is 144 is equal to the number of terms given in the question N 9 by 2 bracket A. We don't know value of A plus AN is 28. Now solve this, then 2 into 9. 144 into 2 upon 9 is equal to A plus 28. Now 144 reduced by 9 is 16 times because of 16 9 is 144. Then 16 into 2 is equal to A plus 28. A plus 28 is equal to 16 to 32. Then A is equal to 32 minus 28. A is equal to 4. It means in this AP A is 4. Now dear students, you have to be done exercise 5.3 in the homework. Question number first, question number 2 and question number 3 in the homework. आपका आज का होमवर्क एक्सरसाइज 5.3 का क्वेश्चन 1 2 3 आपको कंप्लीट करना है. ओके, थैंक यू.